in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jenkintown, or 7 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Bristol, Doylestown, Palmyra, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Beverly, Rockledge, Yardley, Newtown, Allentown, Allentown, Langmore, Bridgeton, Franklin, Wisconsin, Feasterville, Trevose, and Tackney. People at the St. Michael's Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 333 and 359. Northeast extension near mile markers 51. Interstate 95 and Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 40. For your information, into an interior room on the lowest floor. Red is occurring with this storm. Are close enough to be seen by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.